Welcome to Trouble with Tish. I'm Tish, and I be Trouble. And if you are a returner, welcome back.
Troubles on the mind, hands around your throat, out in open waters, trying to stay afloat. Remember to forget.
Alright, it is the last Thursday of the month, so that is the RBSG collab. This is my month, and I got the word Whisper. I wasn't really sure what to do with Whisper. All I know is I wasn't going to pick like the ASMR because that's kind of on the nose. So I kind of went with something else. Okay, so my instructions were what I'm thinking is places and events that you would need to whisper. Church, library, funeral. They tend to be more reserved. I want everyone to do a look that you think of when you think of these places and or events. I didn't know what to do with the word, so it kind of is what it is. So I'm going to do a look that's reserved, or I'm going to try, because we know I have problems with these things. I'm definitely more of a more is more kind of person. So I prime my face with the Vitamin Enriched Face Base from Bobbi Brown. I'm going to take the Say Slip Tint. I'm going to use that.
You know, I wish that I was dead, so I guess I'll drink instead. I am in a crash course and I don't know what I'm doing, and I don't remember anything I said. You know, I wish that I could stop, but here I am, I'm about to drive. Don't wanna hurt your feelings, and I don't know what I'm doing, and my thoughts are running rampant in my head. Sorry, I'm just not good for you. I need myself. If you don't get it, I'll be gone before the morning. Sorry that it ended like this. The time's not right.
I'm going to take this Kosas powder, Cloud Set Powder and Feathery. Set my face.
There's nothing keeping me afloat. My lungs are filling up with smoke.
I'm going to take the Natasha Denona Cupid Cheek Duo for my blush as well as my highlighter.
I'm too drunk to write these songs. I'm too broken and all alone. Don't wanna hurt your feelings, and I don't know what I'm doing, and my thoughts are running rampant in my head. Sorry, I'm just not good for you. I need myself. If you don't get it,
I'm going to take this big fluffy brush and the Natasha Denona I Need a Nude, and I'm going to go into this stone shade right here and just kind of fluff it all over my eyelid. And we're just going to give it just the tiniest bit of depth.
This is the last thing that I'll do.
So, see, nothing like extravagant, we're just adding a little tiny bit of color. I'm going to take this shade Fair right here. Kind of put it on the mobile lid, lighten it up a bit. Like I said, we are going for less is more instead of my normal more is more. Alright, I'm going to take this brown eyeliner.
That I was dead, so I guess I'll drink instead. I am in a crash course and I don't know what I'm doing, and I don't remember anything I side. You know, I wish that I could start.
Just give a tiny bit of depth. We are going to take a tiny bit of this stone shade and run it underneath. And like I said, not enough to be crazy, but enough to add a little bit of depth to the situation. And darken my outer corners here.
The time's not right if you don't get it. I'll be gone before you disappear.
I'm gonna curl my eyelashes though.
There's nothing keeping me afloat. My lungs are filling up with smoke. Don't know how to help it, and I wish that I could stop it, but you know I can't, and I'm completely soaked.
I'm gonna take this Maybelline Sky High mascara and I'm going to apply that to my lashes.
Don't wanna hurt your feelings, and I don't know what I'm doing, and my thoughts are running rampant in my head. Sorry, I'm just not good for you. I need myself. If you don't get it, I'll be gone before the morning. Sorry that it ended like this. The time's not right if you don't get it. I'll be gone before you disappear.
I'm going to take this Ant lip gloss.
Chain smoking 6 till I turn blue. My heart is in a tantrum and I can't control my breathing.
And I feel like I'm missing a little depth. So I'm going to take this mesh and I'm going to put it on the outer corner here, just a little bit.
Disappear.
And I think I am going to take this Whisper shade right here. Put it on my lid. Because I just need a little bit of sparkle. Just a little bit. It has to be there. Otherwise, I don't feel like me. No. Is it a most amazing sparkle? No.
So I guess I'll drink instead.
But different makeup is made for different things. And it may not be your style to wear certain kinds of makeup. Like this normally wouldn't be my style. But it would work if I had to go, say, to church. But I kind of feel like some people just don't have it in them to do this on a regular basis. I'm not normally a person who would do this on a regular basis. I'm more of a bright, flashy colors. But every once in a while, you need a nude. And that's what that's good for. So I guess this is my final look for the RBSG collab. I hope you have enjoyed watching, and like I said, this is a collab, so there will be a link in the description box. Go down below and check out the other ladies. I will have a playlist there. Alright, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. All that fun stuff is below as well. I hope every single one of you has an absolutely amazing day, and I will see you all next time. Bye.
Your feelings, and I don't know what I'm. Troubles on the mind, hands around your throat, out in open waters, trying to stay afloat. Remember to forget.